Traders, good afternoon. Alex here from Bulls and Bears, or folks, Alex from YouTube. Really quick, if you're new to my channel, my name is Alex, and I'm an entry trader attempting to master the stock market to potentially one day join the very few who make a living out of this. I currently manage just under $7,000 in the stock market, which to many of you guys may not sound like a lot, but that is a perfect amount to build skill, intuition, and experience. So if you're interested in getting into these markets, or maybe you're already trading these markets, you're definitely in the right place, as everything that I show here, sorry, it's not only realistic but truthful, as you will see all my losers like you see now and all my winners like I'm going to show you guys right now. So with that being said, let's get into today's talk. So today I saw a really interesting opportunity today, but before we get into the opportunity, I wanted to show you guys where I'm at in the week. So if we take a look at my weekly spreadsheet, you will see that I have quite a bit of losers that I had to take today. So I was pretty much shorting the market as usual. Well, I was a little bit uncertain about what the market was going to do next. So I had a large variety of longs and shorts, and even puts and calls. So definitely a hard week today. I am down, I believe, if we take the calculation from the spreadsheet, you will see that I'm down negative 199 for the week. So definitely not a lot of money, but it's still a little harmful, obviously. So yeah, with that being said, if you aren't familiar with risk management, you have to have a fixed dollar amount or a percentage amount of the money you're willing to risk for every trade, or it could be for every week, for every month, or whatever your risk management may be. But you have to have a fixed dollar amount of money that you want to be risking in the game. And that dollar amount to me is 150 per week. If I lose that much, if I lose a little more over that, I'm completely out of the game for the week and I will not trade at all. And I pretty much reached that limit today, but I decided, how come I don't just incorporate all that risk into one trade instead of diversifying myself across the whole board of stocks like I have been. I mean, as you can see, I traded all kinds of stocks right here. So how come I don't just give one stock a try and risk pretty much a month's worth of risk management? So in that case, if I risk 150 per week, I'll be looking at 600 in a month of total risk. So how come I don't just do that in one trade? And that trade, you guys, is Tesla. The reason why I like Tesla, let me move myself a little bit, is because we're at a quite interesting area right now. As you can see, we're still in a downtrend, obviously, but amidst that downtrend, we get periods of just really big runs right here. As you can see, we bounced 3 times off this blue line right here. Or pretty much not at this blue line, but give or take around this blue line. And today we had a really nice comeback. We kind of reached near the lowest that we've been, but not quite yet. We bounced nicely off it, and I really liked it. I decided to take an option trade on this, which is pretty much a contract that I am betting that the stock is going to go to 205, which is pretty much around this area right here. And the contract expires in 8 days, so I have 8 days to pretty much reach this target right here. If not, my contract is going to expire and I'm going to lose all the money unless I close it before, which I probably will. Like I said, I'm going to be risking $600 in this trade to make potentially $1,200. Either I make that much or I make more if I decide to hold it, because knowing options, the profit on that is pretty much, you just never know how much money you're going to make or lose. Actually you do know how much money you're going to lose, which is pretty much all the money that you have at stake, which in my case, I'm risking, well, I think like 3,000 something on this particular trade right here. So this is the option chart right here. As you can see, it's pretty much just been coming down, but today really nice candle that formed right now. So we could be looking at a nice reversal in the 5-minute. Nothing much to see, just a typical option chart that derives from the actual stock itself. So we're at 50, pretty much 0.50 in terms of the option right here. So if you're not familiar with options, the price is pretty much multiplied by 100. So let's say if the price moves to 0.51, which is just 1 penny above my position, we're already going to be profiting $70 just from that 1 penny, because we own 70 shares of that. So just 25 cents of a move will get us to around 800 and something, I believe, of profit. So that's really my goal. I'm aiming for pretty much a dollar move. Yeah, a dollar, no, actually not a dollar move, a $50 move, which would be 100% return. So I would be making roughly $3,000 if things go really well. If things go just good, I'll be making 25 cents, which would be 1,700. But I'm pretty much gonna be aiming for 1,200. So, but we'll just see how the chart plays out tomorrow. Like I said, Tesla is now, the market is closed already pretty much. So yeah, let me just show you guys the S&P and how we're doing on that. Alright, so the S&P right here, we're looking at the weekly chart. So every candle represents 1 week worth of time, and we're still in a downtrend, of course, but we're near the area that we actually kind of broke it. And if you haven't watched the video on the S&P trend that I have, you should go watch it, and you'll learn the general market trend that we're looking at right now. So it looks like it might pull back, and to be honest, I'm not quite sure what's gonna happen. No one really knows what's gonna happen, but we're forming a nice little pattern right here that's looks like an uptrend in the daily time frame. So we have higher highs, and higher lows, and then the higher highs as well. So we could potentially bounce off this blue line right here and continue to make a higher high. And by the time we make a higher high, we're gonna be successfully broken from the trend line. The real trend isn't broken until 3:30, so that's still a far run from that. But before that, obviously, every trend starts with just a small move, so it doesn't need to be a big move. But if we could get that move within the next days, Tesla will be a nice candidate to be in. So with that being said, let me wait for Tesla to load up real quick. Alright, so with that being said, I don't know if I'm going to be showing you guys this video before I execute the trade, or if I'm going to be showing you guys this video once everything is done already. Like, I might make this a 2-part video and upload one, and then the next one whenever I do get out of the trade. But as of right now, I'm down pretty much $47, which is not a lot. And yeah, let's just see how Tesla treats us within the next days. Let's see how it performs. Right now it is sitting at 173. Target is 205. If it gets there, we're going to be really good in the money. And yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll probably upload it tomorrow, just to show you guys a quick update on how I'm doing in this trade right here. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little update. I am currently down $199 for the week, which is terrible, but I might switch up my game and just start showing you guys one trade with high risk, high reward. But just understand your risk, and it is important, so don't be taking big losers like me right here. This trade was a horrible trade. Obviously, I got a 1 out of 10. But that is it. I think I'm still green for the past 3 weeks. Hopefully I am. And that is it, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Stay focused, you guys.